The U.S. Embassy in Ljubljana is excited to partner with Slovenia and the Minister of Defense in this $15 million U.S.-funded facility partnership of cybersecurity. What's exciting is this is not only for military, this has opportunities for Slovenian citizens, students to come in and learn in the cybersecurity area. And what better thing in this day and time for all of us to know is anything to do with security. And on top of it, what this also brings to the table later on, once we bring it to the next level as a team, is a regional cybersecurity of excellence hub for this area to encourage Western Balkans and all of the Slovenian neighbors to come into this wonderful country and learn cybersecurity at this most important time in our history all over the world. Cybersecurity is a major focus.